Night of the year when the cows have said that we will sleep in the barn. The heck with sleeping outside in the cold. So that's what they've done. And the limestone's all froze, but that don't mean nothing about 2 inches or so into the ground for spreading manure. We'll have to see what happens. Gotta wait till it's a little bit daylight out to move the cows. Cause you try and move them in the dark when, well, it don't work the greatest. Bad things happen when you try and move animals in the dark. Hey, what's the big idea here? You're supposed to want to go out in the pasture. Come on. Make sure none of your brothers and sisters are inside here. Come on, let's go. Come on, Whitey. Get out of here. Come on. There's always gonna be one stupid one in the bunch. Always. Always, always. Ooh, did we have a cow down? Sounded like one. You guys need to not run. Oh no, they knocked the barrel down. That's what it was. Oh boy. I don't know. It's gonna be iffy. Really be iffy today. Yeah, rule of thumb is you always want to start with a light load so that you can see what the ground conditions are like, and then you can start loading it up from there. Things always go better with two people. Don't know why that is, but it always seems to work better that way. He must have lost his bucket. I don't know what the heck happened to it, and he went for that thing with teeth. I don't really care for that thing with teeth. It makes a bigger mess, but yeah, it is what it is. I don't really care for that thing with teeth in the least amount of way. You don't got no reach with it. You guys want to know the right and the wrong way to spread manure? Well, I'll show you. This is the right way to spread manure when you overlap. You let it so that you don't see any daylight in between it, and you just basically treat it as a bed sheet kind of, or like a big blanket of manure, better yet terms. That's how you spread manure. Well, the reason I did that over there like I did it was there was water puddles and stuff I had to go around. But this is the right way to spread manure. For those of you that say I'll get kidney stones from drinking pop, screw you. I don't care. Well, I do care if I get kidney stones because that sounds really, really, really painful. Had an ex-friend that had them, blah, 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 and yeah. We won't go there. If you drink in moderation, you know, it's alright. Hear me out. Smoking bad, drinking beer, and all that kind of stuff, bad. It's not biblical. But it is biblical. Biblical to drink that. Try and tell me I'm wrong there. Well, it's a good thing I had the boots on. It got a little deep on me for a minute. Looks like my dam held. Well, I stand corrected. This didn't hold. I knew I shouldn't have pushed it up against that. Darn it. Lesson learned. What I ought to do is bring some blocks down here and put a block there to pick this gate up this way so it don't freeze in the manure and all that and drag the ground. But oh well, it happens. Yeah, now it's time for that sloppy stuff. Yuck. This stuff don't really spread, it just kind of runs all over the place, if you know what I mean. And that's what it's supposed to look like when you spread manure. Just a nice blanket. And the poor old loader's got a low tire on it. It's that left front one there. Now back to work. Break time over. So we got all our manure hauled, as I think I said already. Oh, it feels so good that we got both cow manure and pig manure all hauled. The barn's bedded. If it does look like somebody don't know how to drive straight, that's all right. At least we got it done. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you next time.